Are you tired of jumping from one side hustle to another only to end up with more frustration than profit? It's honestly a common trap where effort doesn't always equal success. But it's not your fault. You just haven't been shown the right path yet. And I'm going to change that in this video because I'm going to be showing you 5 AI side hustles that you can use and that actually work in 2024 and beyond. I'm not going to be teaching you any generic AI video editing tool or even becoming an NPC on TikTok. So please don't do that and watch to the very end because I'm going to be giving you practical steps that you can take in order to start using AI to power your side hustle. All right, so the first AI side hustle on our list today is going to be ManyChat automations and setting up Instagram sales funnels for creators, businesses, or other services. So the opportunity right now is if you go to Instagram Reels and watch any educational video, you'll notice that most of the people are saying, hey, comment the word tacos and I'll send you your free gift, guide, or resource. This is all being done via automation without anyone manually sending anything. It's all done because of tools like ManyChat and Zapier. So what happens is when you set up a trigger word like tacos and your followers comment that, it's going to send them an automated message with the gift or the guide and even subscribe to your email list. And this will help you build your list as well. Once you learn this process, you can actually sell this as a service and help local businesses, help creators, and other people that need this service. There are creators out there like Stephen Miller, Devin Jatho, and even Toozer who are doing this and building their audience, creating a massive list that they can continuously sell to, and also just building a huge brand awareness by even just setting up these trigger words. Because the more people comment on Instagram, the more the algorithm is going to love you. So as long as you do this process correctly, you can easily sell this as a service and you can start finding creators and working with them and viewing what they could do better and setting up the automation for them. So all you need is these specific tools. You're going to need ManyChat, you're going to need Zapier, and of course, you're going to want to have Instagram. Something that's optional is going to be ConvertKit or Beehive, which is an email capture lead system that allows you to capture these followers and turn them into subscribers so you can have those forever. All right, so now that you have an idea of how the Instagram sales funnel process works, if you want to sell this as a service and build a side hustle around this, I'm going to be teaching you and showing you what Stephen Miller is doing and how he's creating an offer around this. So his service offer is helping brands, creators, and businesses create automated stories and sales funnels through Instagram and ManyChat. So his offer is called Stories on Autopilot. His name is Stephen Miller. You can check him out. He's even the creator of Automated Creator, teaching other people how to turn Instagram into an automated sales funnel. So you can kind of model his service offer. He's literally offering this exact thing that we're talking about right now. And you can see the form. He's basically asking for specific Instagram username. How many views do you get? What your goals are? How many times are you posting on Instagram? So you can get a feel of like where you're at in the process. So he can help you and realign you with your goals. So looking at his service offer, again, you can model this. You don't have to copy it, but this is what he's providing. Here's what you don't need anymore. You won't have to come up with story ideas, nor will you have to design, publish, or follow up with DMs day in and out because it's all automated through ManyChat. You don't have to send cold DMs ever again. You won't have to pitch your clients to read your newsletter. You won't have to remember to post your offer or newsletter because everything is automated. And you won't have to face buried DMs responding for hours and there's no end to it. All of that is created and completed through ManyChat. So he offers this and the results. So this is what you get. You get high quality story assets. You get 5 social funnels through ManyChat. You get lead gen stories that you can schedule on autopilot, consistent leads and subscribers from Instagram, and also improved story growth. So he even provides with the entire DM autopilot process. So you can literally model this and do it for your own business, side hustle, or for another creator. And this is an awesome opportunity for anyone who's really trying to scale their business and also just want to do a side hustle that's helping creators get more clients. All you need for this entire business model is ManyChat, Instagram, some type of lead capture form. And if you really want to pull in more data into like another sheet, a CSV file, you can use Zapier for the process. So I hope that you end up liking this one because there's so many other side hustles that we're going to be talking about today. So I give this opportunity a 4.5 out of 5 because I think it's actually something very useful for many creators, businesses, or services, and something that you can offer for a very long time. And as other social media platforms start to implement this, like TikTok or YouTube Shorts, I think that this will be very powerful for anyone who's looking to automate direct messages. The next idea on our list is going to be starting an AI blogging business. Now, this is something that I've been doing for a few years now, ever since AI writing tools have became a thing, and ChatGPT, Bard, and Claude. You can use these tools to start a very profitable AI side hustle via blogging. So, the tools and the opportunities for this right now is you want to pick a niche that offers low-hanging fruit opportunities. Let's say, for example, if you did this a year ago and you barely found out about pickleball, you could have been the first one to write about it. So you want to find an upcoming niche or opportunity that you can scale to the moon with an AI writing tool. The process is you're going to, again, pick the niche, you're going to create your website, you're going to do keyword research using a tool like Ubersuggest or SEMrush. Then once you've found the keywords, you're going to go ahead and use an AI writing tool like Surfer SEO, Koala Writer, or Coupa to mass produce these articles. Once you've received these articles, you need to make sure that you're going to proofread, check for plagiarism, and at least edit the content before publishing it. This entire process is something that I've been doing for a few years, and I've been able to profit from affiliate marketing, display ads, and also sponsors. I think this is a good opportunity for anyone who understands SEO. They failed in blogging before and they want to get back. With the power of AI, almost anyone can get back into this business and mass produce content. And again, you just want to make sure that you're doing it in an efficient way. Don't be just publishing content straight from the AI itself. You need to edit and proofread the content. Once you get the hang of using Surfer SEO or any AI writing tool, then you can start offering this as a service and really scale your AI side hustle. So I want to show you a company that's currently doing that and they are making bank. So this company is called Rightbeam. They're using AI to help them create content and sell this as a service. So these are on-demand SEO-driven articles by Rightbeam. They're written by humans, but they're assisted with AI. And if we look at the pricing, they are having a solid pricing structure that you could also model. And if you look at this little section right here, you can even add more services. You can also publish content, whatever it may be for them. But if we look at the light plan, just at $1,200 a month for 10 articles, people and companies are buying their service in order to leverage this AI assisted opportunity. So if people are getting the popular plan, that's going to be $2,400 per month, every single month, as long as they stay on your service. This is just 20 articles that you can create. And the average word count is usually around 1,500 words. They're SEO optimized and they have 5 revisions. This is insane. And I think that anyone can do this as long as they learn how to create the process. And if you go to an AI writing tool like Surfer SEO, you can see that they have a scale AI plan for $219 a month, and that can generate up to 10 AI articles. So again, if we go back to Rightbeam, to create 10 AI articles, they are charging $1,200 a month. And if Surfer SEO is costing $219 a month, you can still optimize articles for up to 100 content editor credits, and you can generate 10 AI articles right off the bat. You could see that the price and the profit margin is huge, and you can continue to add on more services. So if you wanted to do the popular plan and model that, you can do 20 articles a month, make $2,400 in net profit. And if you were to, continue to wanting to use more AI writing credits, it only costs you $19 per credit or per article. So just from there, you can really scale this to the moon. And I think that you can really create amazing, great looking articles. And I'm going to show you an example of what Surfer SEO can cook up. All right, so here's an article that Surfer AI created for me, and this is one I'm actually going to publish on a website. And you can see here that it really sounds natural. It looks great, and I barely even edit it, so I still need to improve upon it. But if we look at the right-hand corner, we have a content score, so you can base that off of your competitors. And if you look at the settings or customize toggle, you can notice that it's comparing it against the top 10 pages that are ranking on the first page of Google for the specific keyword. So you can see that the word count came out to 3,000 words. It's using related keywords that need to be included in the post. It even created AI images, and it has a heading count, and the overall score is a 95. So this is all generated by Surfer, and I didn't touch anything other than just maybe fix the spacing. So you can see that it includes a really short and punchy intro. It gives a key takeaway section. It generates an AI image and in the proper headings. And it's giving the perfect amount of information about the article. You could even go ahead and before you send it out, you can use Grammarly to fix any mistakes. You can also do a plagiarism checker scan and make sure that you're not plagiarizing and before you provide it to your client. But I think this is such a solid way that you can make revenue and profit from AI writing tools. So you can use Surf for SEO to do this entire process. You could even use another tool like Koala Writer or Coupa to write these articles, and then use Surf for SEO to optimize them for SEO and sell this as a service. I think this is one of the best opportunity for an AI side hustle that anyone can try out. And I think that really anyone can do this as long as you learn the process. So I give this opportunity a 4.5 out of 5 as well because it's really scalable. You can hire a writer if you want to and help you kind of even just edit the AI output that you get from Surfer or Koala Writer, and you can sell this as a service. So I think it's a really good opportunity for anyone who's looking to go back into the SEO game and build a side hustle leveraging AI. The next AI side hustle on our list is going to be writing newsletters for a business, brand, creator, or even yourself. Now, with the power of ChatGPT, Perplexity, Bard, and a tool called Revamped, you can create an amazing opportunity that you can sell as a service or build on your own. Now, I really like this because newsletters has always been a thing, but recently, because of companies like The Hustle, the Milk Road, and AI directories, newsletters are becoming a very popular trend that you can monetize right now. So some of the things that you could do is pick a niche in a very trendy topic like AI, finance, crypto, or any niche like pickleball, and start a newsletter around that and create content for people that want to find and read information on a daily or weekly basis. So I'm going to show you a tool that you can use in order to scale this very quickly, and it's going to be called Revamped. So let's go ahead and jump in, and I'm going to show you how you can start writing newsletters for brands and businesses using Revamped so you can go ahead and sell this as a service. All right, everyone. So I'm grabbing a random video from YouTube. Let's say I'm in the make money online niche and I'm teaching people or talking about the TikTok shop and how you can make money from that. And I'm going to use that for my weekly newsletter. So I grabbed this video from someone named Matt Lorian. He's talking about how he made $500,000 in 60 days using the TikTok shop affiliate program. So if we grab the URL, I'm going to go ahead and hop into this AI tool called Revamped. So Revamped allows you to generate newsletters, Twitter threads, LinkedIn posts, and also even emails and articles. And you can generate it, and it has a very conversational tone. And the creator of this tool, Brett, he understands how email and newsletters work. So I think the tool works great. If we go to newsletter generator, I'm going to go ahead and add a source. You can add in an article, a tweet, YouTube video, Instagram or TikTok account, and it's going to go ahead and create the newsletter for you. So let's go ahead and add in the YouTube video from the TikTok shop creator. So it's going to add the source. So you're going to go ahead and click on it, and you just want to make sure that it did populate the information here. So what you're going to see here is that you can go ahead and change the writing style to classic or conversational. I'm going to make it conversational. You can also change the length of the word count. So I'm going to stick to medium, and you can continue to add in more sections if you really wanted to. You can change the newsletter name. You can add in your niche and also your newsletter description. So you can continue adding more information, but I'm just going to do this for an example. So I'm just going to click add to newsletter, and it's going to start generating the material for our weekly or daily newsletter. So this makes things super easy if you're trying to share a story or someone who is profiting off of this, or kind of add in your own input on the YouTube video. So let's go ahead and let it do its thing, and it's going to generate the content. All right, perfect. So I went ahead and created the materials, and let's go ahead and check it out. So it says, number one, how I made 500K in 60 days with TikTok Shop Affiliate. So that is the title. You're going to see here is the entire email. TikTok Shop Affiliate is a game changer, and I have just shared the scoop with you. Imagine pulling in 500K in sales in just 60 days. Yes, you read that right. $500,000. That's a pretty good hook. And then it gives the strategy. So of course, since I didn't personally do it, I'm going to go ahead and say and change this. You can use the ghostwriter to change it and say speak in a second person or third person point of view. And or you can just edit it on your own. You can say TikTok Shop is a game changer, and I have found someone that is making a ton of money in this. Just imagine pulling in 500K. Well, that's what Tom, or that's what XYZ did in just 60 days. So I really like what it offers. The strategy is deceptively simple. Number one, post daily videos showcasing products. Number two, keep videos under 20 minutes. Number three, average $2,000 a day in profit. So what is the magic sauce? Promoting products with a commission between 5% and a whopping 60%. So I think this is an amazing example of what you can do. You can sell this as a service and do this for other newsletter creators, and continue to create more sources and add this and sell this as a service. So I think this is a really good opportunity for anyone who wants to sell this as a service. You can literally go to places like Upwork and become a talent or apply for a project, and you can go ahead and type in newsletter writing and see if there's anyone selling a service that is similar. So you can see here there are people selling this as a service. You could even change the pricing point and see what the high value creators are doing. So boom, there's people selling this at $300, $500, $800 per project, and you can make a ton of money with this side hustle. So I'm giving this opportunity a 3.9 out of 5, just because newsletters, it's not really that fun to do. And honestly, if someone really wanted to, they can use that AI writing tool on their own and do the same thing. The only thing that really benefits you as the person that's doing this side hustle is that you can also edit the content for them, making sure that it sounds like them and their brand voice. And you could also add on other offers like newsletter design and templates. So I think it's a good opportunity for anyone who wants to start this side hustle. So the next side hustle idea is going to be AI dubbing solutions and helping bigger creators or brands translate their audio into a different language so they can reach a bigger market. Yeah, I think this is a really cool opportunity. It's a little creepy, but it's going to work. And if you know how to use an AI solution to dub a voice, then this is a very good opportunity. So what's going to happen here is that you can go to a creator that has an educational YouTube channel or just material on a specific subject, and you can sell the service and help them translate their voice into Spanish, Japanese, German, whatever it may be. You can offer this as a service and sell per project basis for different types of video length, and also just sell this as a package if you wanted to. But this is a really cool opportunity that anyone can do. And all you need is one AI tool. The AI tool that you can use for this process is called ElevenLabs. And if you want to use another one just in case, there's one called Captions AI where you can translate and dub the voice. So I'm going to show you an example of how this looks. And again, you can sell this as a service on Fiverr or Upwork. All right, guys, so I'm going to show you a example video of my regular English voice before I dubbed it using ElevenLabs. So again, you can offer this as a service. It's super quick. It took about, 2 minutes. So let's go ahead and watch the video, and it's going to be pretty interesting and a little creepy. start a blog, whatever it may be, or create short form content just like this in order to get started, because you never know what's going to happen and you want to make sure that you are ahead of. So let me go ahead and show you the Spanish version that has been completely dubbed using ElevenLabs.
Lo que sea o creen contenidos de formato corto, justo como este, para empezar, porque nunca se sabe lo que va a pasar. Y quieres asegurarte de estar adelante en el juego de la creación de contenido.
All right. I think that was really crazy, but I think it's a good opportunity for anyone to do this for other brands and businesses just starting from scratch. This is a very powerful AI side hustle. So I'm giving this opportunity a 3.5 out of 5 because it's still very powerful. You can make a lot of revenue early on right now if you were to take opportunity to do this. But I think in the near future, there are going to be other companies, tools that you can use, or maybe even YouTube might have this embedded natively into their platform. But right now, I've seen a lot of people on Fiverr, Upwork, and other places sell this as a service. And I think it's a really unique opportunity. So go ahead and try it out if that's your plan. All right, everyone. So the last side hustle in this video is going to be doing ghostwriting on Twitter, or as most people call it, X now. So this is a really good opportunity because there are tools out there like Tweet Hunter or ChatGPT that allows you to copy a brand voice of your specific client or user base. And this allows you to write the same way every single time. And if you learn how to do the prompting correctly, you can create viral threads and you can create viral tweets. So I think this is a really solid opportunity for anyone who, understands copywriting. You can do ghostwriting and you can leverage the power of AI tools like Tweet Hunter or ChatGPT to help you with this entire process. There are thousands of creators and brands that are always looking for ghostwriters on these platforms. You could be that person to provide AI writing and copywriting to these brands and companies. So if you go to Tweet Hunter, you can easily spot our identity trends and things you could use to find viral tweets and different inspiration, and you can sell this as a service. So I think this is a really solid opportunity, and I can go ahead and show you what Tweet Hunter looks like and how easy it is to automate the threads and even DMs through these platforms. All right, so we're inside of Tweet Hunter, and this is a tool that you're going to want to use if you're going to offer this as a service and a side hustle for your clients, or if you're trying to grow your own Twitter account or X account. And again, I really dig this tool because if you look at the left hand corner, you're going to have a few different options and features. You can use their chat assist that kind of works like ChatGPT. You can write the tweet, which populates on the right hand corner. And if you notice on this little toggle icon, we're going to be able to do a bunch of different features for improving your tweets. Let's say when you're writing it, you want to improve it. You can add a queue. So it has a content calendar that you can publish for weeks ahead. But what I really like about this tool is that if you go to their post creation search inspiration feature, you can put in a keyword depending on the niche that you're in, and say we're in crypto or you're working with the crypto client. You can put in crypto and you're going to be able to spot all of the results that are currently trending or have a lot of likes, and the algorithm is loving it. So you can see here that this has got 2,000 likes, 265 comments. And again, you don't want to copy the tweet, but you do want to just model it. So this is just for an example of this video. You don't have to do what I'm doing because, again, I want you to really hone in your copywriting skills and leverage what you know, but just use Tweet Hunter for inspiration. So we can copy this tweet and you can rewrite this in your own words. You can also tell it to keep writing or just improve the tweet, and it's going to do that for us. So we can go ahead and copy it, and then we're gonna edit it here, and it's gonna look great. So I think this is a good opportunity if you're someone who understands copywriting, what goes viral, or you have at least some knowledge of these platforms. You can sell this as a service, become a ghostwriter for a brand or creator, and use Tweet Hunter to help you automate and schedule the post. You can sell this on a monthly package or a per project basis. And I think this is a really good opportunity for anyone who wants to leverage this AI tool. And so I give this side hustle idea a 3.2 out of 5 just because it's a little more saturated than the others. It is still a very great opportunity. if you can stand out from the crowd and other ghostwriters, this opportunity has a lot of potential. And if you understand copywriting, then I think you should really go after it. All right, everyone. So that basically sums up all of the AI side hustle ideas in this video. And I think all of them are really powerful for the year 2024 and at least for a few years to come. Some of them I'm even doing myself. And I think that AI blogging is probably one of the most profitable ideas because you can really scale it with a VA, or if you're just doing this on your own, you can make a very profitable and healthy income. So, my name is Eddie, and I really hope that this video helped you out. And if you're still watching to the very end, then thank you. I really appreciate you watching this video. I'm really wanting to create more content around educational material and provide as much free value as I can for anyone who's just consistently staying with me on this journey. Again, thank you. And if you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment. I'll go ahead and reply to you. And my goal is to really offer as much as I can for anyone who is subscribed to the channel and just watching the videos. And if you're not subscribed, then that's cool too. I'm happy that you're here and you're watching to the very end. I'll see everyone in the next video.